If you used to have an Android phone or you have an iPhone but just use Google regularly, a lot of your passwords could be stored in the Google Chrome app. However, if you bring them over to your iPhone, you'll be able to use them ubiquitously across all of your apps, including Safari and apps that you download. I'm going to show you how to not lose those passwords and store them on your phone. So the first thing we're going to do is tap on the Google Chrome app. To be able to access your passwords, tap on the three dots at the bottom right. At the top here, swipe over until you get to Password Manager. Tap on Password Manager, and you'll need to use your Face ID to unlock this. So let me just use my Face ID. And here you'll be able to see all of the passwords that are stored in Google Chrome. Again, these are associated with your Google account and they're different from your iPhone stored passwords in the Passwords app. If you wanted to, you could tap on any of these to open it up and see your username and password. However, let's transfer those by tapping the back arrow. Tap on Settings at the bottom left. And then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Export Data. Here you'll be able to select all of the passwords that are currently saved in Google. Tap Continue at the top right. Tap on Continue once you choose where you want to export them. And again, you'll need to use your Face ID, so let me do that real quick. And here you can see compatible apps. I can select the Passwords app. This is the default Passwords app that is stored on your iPhone. Just hit the continue button and it will bring them all over. And I'll show you how to find them after that. So let me just hop out of here. Take your finger and swipe down and then just type in passwords and tap on the Passwords app here. Again, you'll need to use your Face ID to unlock this and just tap on All at the top left. You'll be able to see all of the passwords that are stored on your iPhone, including the username as well as that password. So you'll be able to log into apps and websites without needing to jot it down in a notepad or just writing it down in person. You'll have it stored all onto your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that. Thanks for watching.